Are you tired of the noise in the market and looking for a way to trade with confidence? Imagine making strategic trades that allow you to ride massive market trends with minimal stress. Welcome to Net Worth Nest, your go-to channel for expert insights on online earning, investing, and passive income. In today's video, we're diving deep into position trading strategies, the ultimate approach for long-term success in Forex and other markets. If you want to master position trading and take advantage of market trends, interest rate cycles, and geopolitical shifts, stay tuned. What is position trading? First, what exactly is position trading? Unlike day trading or swing trading, position trading is a long-term strategy, where traders hold positions for weeks, months, or even years. It's all about capturing macro trends and ignoring short-term market noise. But how do you spot the right opportunities? Let's break it down. Key factors impacting long-term trades. To become a successful position trader, you need to understand the key market forces that drive price movements over the long run. Here are the critical factors you must watch. 1. Market trends and volatility. 2. Inflation and interest rate cycles. 3. Geopolitical risks and market movements. Major indices like the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and the CME Group reflect economic cycles. Learning how to analyze these trends can give you a significant edge. Central banks dictate long-term price movements. Rising interest rates typically strengthen currencies, while inflation can erode purchasing power. Wars, trade policies, and government stability can make or break long-term trades. Stay informed to anticipate market shifts. Top position trading strategies. Now, let's talk about tried and tested position trading strategies that seasoned traders use to stay ahead of the game. Small diamond trend following strategy. This involves identifying strong bullish or bearish trends and holding your position until the trend shows signs of reversal. Small diamond options strategies for position traders. For those looking to hedge risks, strategies like the iron condor, straddle, and strangle are powerful tools to navigate different volatility scenarios. Small diamond gold, silver, and energy stocks. Commodities like gold, silver, and oil are long-term favorites during economic uncertainty. Small diamond cryptocurrency position trading. With Bitcoin's halving cycles and Ethereum's network upgrades, crypto presents strong long-term trading opportunities. Technology and tools. Technology plays a massive role in successful position trading. Here are some tools you should have in your arsenal. Small diamond eye and algorithmic trading. Automate your trades and analyze massive data sets effortlessly. Small diamond best trading platforms. Platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5, Think or Swim, and TradingView offer robust tools for long-term traders. Small diamond risk management and psychology. Even the best strategy fails if you lack discipline. Manage risks with stop losses, portfolio diversification, and a clear exit strategy. Case study: how position traders profit during a recession. Let's look at a real-world example how position traders navigated the 2008 financial crisis and the 2020 COVID crash. Those who held gold, defensive stocks, and strong tech companies like Amazon and Apple saw significant gains in the long run. The lesson: position trading is about playing the long game. If you found this video valuable, make sure to smash that like button, comment below with your favorite trading strategy, and subscribe to Net Worth Nest for more expert insights on trading, investing, and building long-term wealth. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy trading.